What if I told you that with free AI tools, you can create stunning 3D cartoon stories in just minutes? In this video, I will show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to write the story, Digen AI to create and animate the scenes, and Luvvoice for the perfect voiceover. But before we break down the full workflow, watch the complete cartoon story first. You will want to see the amazing final result before learning how to make it yourself.
In a small African village, Kofi's dream began with every kick in the dust. Every sunrise found him training harder, chasing a dream bigger than his village. One unforgettable goal changed everything and opened the door to the world. Far from home, Kofi faced the cold, the pressure, and the challenge of greatness. From village dust to world glory, Kofi proved dreams can cross every border.
Okay, to create that story using AI tool, the first thing you need to do is to have a story. I have a story, and this is what I did. I instructed ChatGPT to create a script, a 5-short story based on my story idea, and it has to be in a 3D pizza animation. A 3D pizza animation. Okay, and I said that in each shot there should be character definitions. I did that for consistency, so that the characters will be consistent, and also I combine the short description and image prompt. So the short description is just the environment, the image prompt is the proper image, and also I like the animation prompt and also the 5-second voiceover, the narration for the story. That's what I did. So to create this now, what we are going to do is to first of all create the short description and image prompt to create an image based on this short description and image prompt. And the tools we are going to be using is Digen AI. Digen AI. It is free. You have your daily free credit, 120 daily free credit each time you log in into Digen AI. I have more than 400 free credit. Look at my upper right hand side there, more than. So you can, these are the content created using Digen AI. You see how clear they are and how creative they are. So for me to be able to create my own content, what I'm going to do is to go to create, click on create. Then you can see above here you have space, you have image, Sora 2, VO, certain. I'll be using Nano Banana. I'll click on this. Okay, so what you can also decide to create your image using a separate AI tool. But I'm going to be using Digen AI to create whatsoever I want to create here. So what I'm going to do is to come to image motion, aspect ratio 16:9. The resolution is 1K. Then I click on this and I paste this. Let me go ahead and create the first image. Yeah, I have created the first image for the first shot. And you can see this is the image. I'm going to download it. We are going to view it later. Okay, you can see now I have each image based on each short description and prompt. You can see now. You can see the boy in local. Okay, it's growing now. It has changed. Things is working better. It left the trophy. So you can see that there's a watermark. There are several watermark remover online. You can use them to remove watermark. So let us dive into the next stage whereby we'll animate these images. To animate, you go back to ChatGPT and you look for the animation prompt. You can see this is the first shot animation prompt. You click on it, you copy, you go there, you go to the first image that you created, and this is it. You see an inscription will appear, make a video. Then you click on make a video. Okay, that is it. That is it. There are several models you can choose here, above here. If you want to change the model, if you have a premium plan, you can see the image here. It automatically appear here. Look at this place, a video prompt. Video prompt. Then I paste the video prompt here. Okay, that's the animation prompt, and I have the video control, 5 seconds, 720 pixel. If I'm going for 10 seconds, 1080 pixel. I have to subscribe for the premium plan. Okay, but for now, let us go ahead and generate the video. Okay, you can see that we are done with generating all the videos here. You can see we have all the video from the first video to the second video to the third one. So we have to download each video. By the right answer, you can see, you can check below here, download video. Okay, let's see one of the videos we downloaded. You can see this is the beginning. Wow, this is a very good Pixar-style creation. Okay, the next thing we are going to do now is the voiceover. For the voiceover, I want us to go to Luvvoice AI. I have the voiceover already, which I copied from each shot. I'm using Luvvoice. I'm going to Luvvoice. I have Luvvoice. Yeah, this is it. I have Luvvoice here. Luvvoice.com. So I click on the dashboard. I have free time. Okay, this is it. I have about 10,000 credits, which is free. And I'm going to paste it here. Then I have it here. The rates, I can decide to reduce the rates. The voice I want to use, let me click on it and look for the voice I want to use. Let's use Brain.
Luvvoice is a free online text-to-speech (TTS) tool that turns your text.
Okay, let me use this. Confirm. No, I'm using Brain. I'm using Brain. Confirm. Okay, that's what I'm using. So the next thing I'm going to do is to generate speech. I have the speech page here already to generate.
In a small African village, Kofi's dream began with every kick in the dust.
I have to stop it because it's 29 seconds. So you can control it from this place. Yeah. So I can decide to reduce the rate to give me the right seconds. I need about 25 seconds.
In a small African village, Kofi's dream began with every kick in the dust.
Now, let me increase the rate then. Maybe I have to increase the rate. Okay, let me see. Generate.
A small African village, Kofi's dream began with every kick in the dust.
You can see I now have 22 seconds.
Every sunrise found him training harder, chasing a dream bigger than his village. One unforgettable goal changed everything and opened the door to the world. Far from home, Kofi faced the cold, the pressure, and the challenge of greatness. From village dust to world glory, Kofi proved dreams can cross every border.
Okay, so I'm going to click here by the right hand side to download. Yes, I've downloaded it. That is nice. That is good. Now I have the video, animation, and I have the voiceover. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go and bring it together in an editing tool. So I'm using Filmora. You can choose to use CapCut. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on import media files. Then I come to this place. Then look at all the videos here. I bring them together. Good one. I import every video. Then I automatically place them here because they are aligned. Okay, you can see the alliance. And the next thing is to import the audio file, the audio, the voiceover. This is it, voiceover. Okay, bring it here. So bring it down here. So that is how to do a little bit of editing. So the rest of this thing aligns together. Okay, let us play it from the beginning. Let's play it from the beginning. Let's see what it gives to us.
In a small African village, Kofi's dream began with every kick in the dust. Every sunrise found him training harder, chasing a dream bigger than his village. One unforgettable goal changed everything and opened the door to the world. Far from home, Kofi faced the cold, the pressure, and the challenge of greatness. From village dust to world glory, Kofi proved dreams can cross every border.
Oh, that is it. Thank you very much. I want you to subscribe to my channel.